So, how much does it cost to have an appointment with an accountant? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how much should you pay to have a meeting or an appointment with an accountant? Should you pay? Also, talk a little bit about myself. So, I'm Stephen Edwards, the founder of Gro Profit First Accountants. I'm a chartered, certified accountant. Been running my own business for 15 years and been in the profession for over 20. So, I've got an article here. If you prefer to read things, you can see the URL at the top of the page. How much does it cost? How much is an appointment with an accountant? And essentially, it depends. But the short answer is it shouldn't cost you anything. So the short answer, if you're looking for the headline, is we don't believe in charging for that initial meeting. So I've been running my own business, as I said, for 15 years, and I've never charged for that initial meeting because the way we look at it is we're looking for a long-term relationship to work and help business owners. That being said, there are accountants that do charge, and there are circumstances that warrant maybe charging for that initial meeting. So, where we would charge is if somebody they're not looking to explore how we can help them longer term, they just want a one off meeting with specific advice to solve their problems pretty much right now. So they come to us and they're right, I need you to look into my capital gains tax situation, or I'm thinking about selling a property, or I'm looking for you to give me some advice on structuring the shares in my business. I'm looking to set it up. Those sort of things we are likely, and also they're saying to us, we don't actually want to use your services on an ongoing basis. So if someone's up front and they're saying we don't want an accountant to work with on an ongoing basis, we are going to give you a quote to have that meeting and give you specific advice to help give you the way forward for your circumstances. And typically that might be around £250 for up to 2 hours of our time, and to give you some advice, to give you a report, to meet with you, and to explain um, our advice face to face with you. However, that is quite rare. That's 1% of the case. That's with our prospects. Normally, when we're meeting with people, we do not charge for that initial meeting. It's a free meeting to explore how we can help you. So if you're looking at the website here, it's wearegrow without a w.co.uk. You can book a discovery call and you can just speak to an accountant, and you'll speak to someone in the team. You speak to Sam or Millie typically, and on that initial discovery call, you have the chance to explain what help are you looking for, what sort of support are you looking for, and then if it's something we can help you with and it looks like it could be a long-term fit for us to work with each other, we'll book a 60-minute meeting, a longer meeting, to go in deeper and to understand your circumstances. We mainly work with business owners. We do work with some small kind of individual taxpayers. So if you're self-employed, you're a freelancer, a consultant, but typically we're working with businesses turning over more than £100,000, or you're looking to grow to be more than £100,000 worth of revenue. But the discovery call, we'll have a chat to see if we feel we can help you. And then if you get through to that proper meeting, it's up to an hour long, we will give you advice in that meeting. I've actually saved someone £10,000 on a phone call. This person had a certain business structure which I didn't believe was the best structure for them. I gave them some advice and it saved them £10,000 in tax immediately. So sometimes there's quick wins. The purpose of the meeting is to see how we can help you. So hopefully that explains the situation. So every accountant is slightly different. So if you looking for specific capital gains tax advice, then you're probably looking to pay someone for that advice. If you're a business and you're looking for someone to look after your accounts, your bookkeeping, your payroll, or to do your annual tax return every month or every year, then I wouldn't expect you to pay for that meeting. It's quite unusual in my experience. So hopefully that's useful, guys. But I said, if you are looking, if you're watching this, the chances are you might be looking to have an appointment with an accountant. So it doesn't cost you a penny to book a discovery call on our website, speak to someone in the team, quick 10-minute call to see if we can help you. And if we're a good fit, we'll then give you a longer meeting to go through your circumstances. Thanks.